The previous law allowed citizenship to be revoked for those who were convicted of serious crimes, certain serious crimes, but only those who were dual citizens were subject to revocation. And so therefore we had two classes of citizens, and we believe very strongly that there should be only one class of Canadians, that all Canadians are equal, that a Canadian is a Canadian is a Canadian.
By virtue of the fact that you can revoke citizenship anyway for people who have obtained it fraudulently or by misrepresenting themselves, I'd like you to explain to someone who's convicted of terrorism, of the highest crimes against the state, how that's not misrepresenting themselves as a Canadian.
That is committing a crime for which such a person deserves to be punished, whether such a person is a dual citizen or not. And such a person is likely to go to jail, quite possibly for a long period of time. And that is how our system works. We have a criminal justice system. We have judges that impose sentences. We have prisons that lodge such offenders. So I think it is different in kind if, for example, a Nazi war criminal were to arrive in Canada after the Second World War, professing to be a Roman Catholic priest, and obtained his citizenship on those grounds. I, for one, would have no hesitation to revoke that citizenship because he came into Canada and became a citizen on false pretenses, and therefore he should not retain that citizenship. I think that is a different kind of offense than criminality.
When we're talking about principle, I would like to think that the first principle that we put forward is that we're not celebrating people that commit terrorist actions against our country. And like, to put this in perspective, this isn't an esoteric academic exercise. There is somebody who has been convicted, as I said earlier, of a plot to bomb downtown Toronto, to inflict disaster on our country. And they are going to get their Zachariah Amara is going to get his citizenship back because of the Liberal government, their first piece of legislation in here. So when we talk about principle, I mean, there's a strong statement of principle in that action too, and that's what we take issue with as a party.